Good day. My name is Steve Dunlop, and I'm going to be addressing operational stages as it relates to TP Cube activities. I want to talk briefly about the capacity utilization model that we've experienced and that we're continuing to experience. Capacity utilization is normally a model where you're going to see an angular, uh, almost parallel over time type of levels where capacity will remain constant over a prolonged period of time to a slight increase. You'll have some ebbs and flows, but to a slight increase. What we're seeing is something dramatically different now. What we're seeing is, and we've broken it into three stages. The first stage is managing production during the pandemic. And this is also impacts the slowdown or shutdown of the operations. And you can see there's a sharp line going from a fairly high level up here to down here over time where you have very little to no capacity that's being utilized. This is the shutdown period, the planning period, and it's happening at different stages for different companies. Stage two is when what do we do while we're shut down? What kind of activities are we looking at? What are we can we use our employees for? Rather than just paying our employees, are the things that in a safe environment, we can have our employees expand their knowledge or build some additional competencies to be able to help us during the startup. And then in the stage three, which is right here, is where we start the steady incline for restarting operations. At this stage, during stage three, ideally you'll get up to some level of capacity that you had before prior to the pandemic. One of the issues that we're facing now as a country is we have companies that are in stage two and stage three. Very few of them are in stage one, but we have multiple staggered start dates for companies in stage two and then in stage three. And the implications of that in terms of the supply chain and your material basis will alter how rapidly you'll be able to go back to full production. You think about it, and assuming that companies, normal manufacturing has parts they're buying from other companies to do the assembly. Those parts may be coming from a company that's in the stage two that haven't started back up yet, or in a stage three that start up but on a low basis. So as again, this is a traditional capacity utilization over time model. And here's kind of the format. Now, we've based a lot of our other analysis on these stages and how they all spin out. Thanks much.